Hello guys, so ganito mag-withdraw sa Popo Live app. So ayan, umabot na ako ng 100,000 points. So meaning may $10 ka na. So ayan, through GCash lang. So select nyo yung GCash. Tapos go to settings nyo para mag-ano kayo ng password nyo. So ayan, create password. Confirm your password. Tapos ayan, select nyo yung GCash. Enter your security password. Tapos, ayan. Dapat guys, yung account, ilagay nyo yan yung GCash number nyo. Dapat, ano talaga, yung valid number nyo guys. At saka verified account nyo sa GCash. So, after that, you enter your last name. Yung ano yung name na verified nyo sa GCash. Yan, first name. And then, make sure nyo talaga guys na tama at saka valid. Tapos, click submit. Ayan, click nyo yung submit guys. So, ayan. So, na-link na yung GCash account nyo. And then, click nyo yung withdraw now. Tapos, confirm. So, withdrawal amount, $10. So, enter nyo yung security password nyo. And then, ayun. So, na-withdraw nyo na siya guys. So, back to zero na yung points nyo sa Popo Live app. So, yan. Nakikita nyo, 10,000 points is $54. So, ayan. Na-receive ko na yung first sahod ko sa Popo Live app.